Have you ever wondered why some content creators pump out videos, podcasts, and special posts daily while you're still struggling creating anything at all? The secret isn't working harder, it's using AI tools that actually deliver. I just spent a couple of weeks testing Blaze AI, and it's either going to revolutionize your content creation or waste your money. Let me show you which. So, in this video, I'm going to reveal exactly how Blaze AI compares to ChatGPT Plus, show you the hidden features most reviewers miss, and give you my honest take. If you want to see if the tool will work for you, then I've got the link in the description. Now, I'll walk you through a step by step system to get 10x more value from this tool than most users. But first, let me show you how I use Blaze AI to create an entire month of content in just one afternoon. Something that used to take me a few full weeks, if not more, to do. After logging in, I realized this was different. Blaze AI isn't just an AI writer, it's actually three premium tools combined: an AI content creator, a design platform like Canva, and a social media scheduler like a Hootsuite. Now, let me show you my screen so you can see exactly what I mean. So, this is going to be the interface walkthrough that we're going to do right now. So here's the interface once you first log in to. This is really amazing here with what you can do from the tools that you have access to: social media, blog and SEO, the videos, the emails, even writing ads, creating websites, sales pages, customer service, all this kind of stuff here. But I want to go over the essentials that are going to be for you. So basically from the home page, what the first thing that you want to do is click here where it says create brand kits. So when we create on brand kits, if we go to new brand kit, you see I already have my brand kit in here for Earl Hall Studio. All you have to do is, well, first of all, it lets you know what a brand kit is and how to create one. So we're going to continue. All you have to do is paste in your web address. Now, what this is going to do, once you paste in your web address, it's going to give you your brand voice. It's going to let you know how you sound. You can, from here in your brand kit, you can import images, but look at just what it gives you right off the bat. The purpose is my purpose: connect with users as a friend, promote services, encourage potential clients to engage. It's going to give you all of this. The audience is entrepreneurs, life insurance agents, authors. The tone that I have: professional, inviting, supportive. Emotions, the character, trusted advisor. This is amazing from being able to use an AI tool that actually understands who it is that you are. And again, you can upload brand colors. It got my brand colors from that. It got my fonts from my website. You can change those fonts. And I've already uploaded additional images as well for me to use. So if we go back to home and let's just say we want to generate new content. This is the ease of creating content. So let's just say we want to make an Instagram post, right? Excuse me. You can make an Instagram story. You can make a post, a reel, multiple posts, right? Script. Let's go to multiple posts. And we can describe what it is that we want to write about. So I want, and it's going to do this in my brand voice, by the way. I want to write a post showing authors how to promote their book. You can keep typing. You can, by fill in this box for me. You can have Blaze auto fill the rest of this, which it has already done, and you just kind of hit tab to accept. This guide will cover various strategies, including leveraging social media platforms, engaging with bloggers and influencers, and using email marketing to reach potential readers. Additionally, we will explore effective networking tactics such as, and go on and on. And if you want to add more, it's giving me more. So I can hit the tab and it'll fill in the rest. All right. So now what we can look at, it's already got, because I connected my social media accounts through Blaze, it's already got all of this ready to go. I'm going to hit tab one more time to accept. So what I want to do from here, you can post with stock images. You can post with custom designs. It lets you know how long should the caption be. I like to actually keep it short. How many posts do you want to plan? Now we can plan for 10 posts. This is where the calendar is going to come into great effect. 30 posts. Let's say we want to just do I'll do 5 posts because I may go in and delete them. But you see the power of what it is that you can actually do. So we're going to go ahead and show, and we'll hit this down the bottom here to go ahead and generate the captions for those 5 posts that I want to create. All right, ready to amplify your book? Discover proven strategies for promote your masterpiece today. And it even gives you hashtags to use. Now, you can use any or all of these. You can generate more, but the great thing about this AI tool is you can edit what's already here if you want to make it sound better or different or whatever. So we're going to go ahead. I'm going to say select all. So it'll generate my posts for me. Go ahead and plan. Now it's going to give me the plan. When do I want to start? And I can say I can start on any day that I want, and I can post once a week. I can post twice per week. Now I only have 5. So we're going to say once per week to spread them out. I like doing early morning. You know, a lot of people say there's a time you should post. I don't believe that. I just always post early morning to make sure that it gets all of the traction I want it to get throughout the day. Now, and you can see you can pick different times to post as well. So we're going to go ahead and confirm. Okay, and we just go ahead and name. I'm just going to call it IG post. You can call it whatever it is that you want. Obviously, if you've got something you're working on and it makes sense, go ahead and do that. Now it's going to generate the posts. And so now you can see, all right, I can take a look at this. All right, so now I can take a look at this particular post and see what it's all about. So we can edit the post if we want to, but it's come up with an image for me already, which makes sense, right? Ready to amplify your book reach? Discover proven strategies for planning your masterpiece today. And it gives you the hashtags, right? So it lets you see what the post is actually going to look like. Now, let's just say you want to change the image. Okay, so here's the other Instagram post. It's showing me that it's going to go out at 3 a.m. And it says, basically, let's see, we can edit the post. Connect with readers and influencers. Leverage social media to build your book's buzz. Start your journey now. There you are. Now imagine what you can do. It's got the image that's there. If you want to add or replace an image, obviously, if you want to recreate the image, you can do that just by clicking this button. You can upload an image. You can generate an image with AI. Let's just see a woman author at her laptop writing a book. All right, this is AI generated. Let's see what it gives us. All right, so this process took about a minute to do, and you can see it's given you 4 great images that you can use. And let's just say we want to connect this one because this woman is kind of looking at me, right? So it's like, use the image, click on this image here. We're going to trash this one, and we're just going to use that image. Look at that. It's an impactful image. Now, I want you to imagine you using your own images, you generating AI images or whatever. But what I've been able to show you here is that you can create your own images via AI. You can upload images that you create in other packages like a Canva if you would like, or you can even create those images here within the platform as well. Now, this is just a portion of what you can actually do with Blaze AI. There's so many other ways that you can use this. I wanted to show you the power of using this as a content creation tool across all of the different platforms: Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, TikTok, YouTube, Pinterest, WhatsApp, popular, the LinkedIn post. There's all these different things that you can use to generate the content that you need to create. And you saw that just took me minutes, right? To go ahead and create 5 days of content. I could have done the same thing with 30 days, 100 days of content using Blaze.ai. Who should and shouldn't use Blaze AI? Now, after testing every feature, I've concluded that Blaze AI isn't for everyone. If you are an advanced AI user who already knows how to use ChatGPT Plus effectively, you might find Blaze AI limiting. But there are three types of content creators who will get massive value from this tool. Podcasters who struggle with consistency. Most podcasters don't make it past episode 7 because they get overwhelmed with content creation. Blaze AI solves this by handling your show notes, social promotion, and graphics all in one place. Small business owners who can't afford a marketing team. Now, if you're trying to maintain a presence across multiple platforms without hiring help, Blaze AI essentially becomes your AI marketing assistant. Now, content creators who hate switching between tools. If you're tired of jumping between ChatGPT, Canva, Hootsuite, Blaze AI will cut your production time in half. So, is Blaze AI worth it? If you're one of those three categories I mentioned, absolutely. The 7-day free trial gives you plenty of time to test it for yourself and see if it fits your workflow. But here's the thing, even the best AI tool is useless if you don't know how to create content that actually engages your audience. And if you want to see if this tool will work for you, the link is in the description. If you found this helpful, like, follow, and subscribe for more tips just like this.